So what are we doing?
We are trying nature cereal.
Right. And what is nature cereal?
Basically, fruit.
What kind of water? Or soda. Next bowl. You gonna do them all? Put this to the side. So what is it? Strawberries.
Blackberries.
Wait. So we don't have the pomegranates. That's the only thing that we were missing, right? Okay. Do they put ice in it? I thought I
Oh
seen
yeah, we do.
people put ice in it. It's a little mushy. It worked out. Brief intermission for ice. Y'all a little bit scared.
Yeah.
Y'all a little bit scared. All right, y'all get a little bit of all of it.
I got too many blueberries.
I'm nervous, y'all. This does not look good, y'all. Okay, ready?
3,
2,
2.
1. It's not bad. What y'all think?
It's pretty good.
It's really not that bad. I thought it was gonna be disgusting. It looked disgusting. Hold on, let me show you.
Throw up in fruit.
It look.
Looks like pink
Oh
throw-up
my god.
and fruit.
It looked horrible, but it actually tastes pretty good. We give this. What we give this? Thumbs up, thumbs down.
A thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
I'd say probably 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah, same.
8.5.
3.5.
I'll say. I agree. Yeah, it's pretty good. So
It's not the best, but it's pretty good.
nature cereal, y'all.
Oh, that blackberry's coming to me. That's I don't like blackberry.